Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We're here in downtown Sanford. Just did a roof here, finished it a couple days ago. Wanted to show you a quick final product on one of our low slope roofs. We did a modified bitumen on here. Give me just a second, we'll flip this thing around and show you what kind of work we do. One of the things that they did, they had a leak at this transition before these two walls come together. They ran the modified up over and under the drip edge, creating no cuts, no seams. Just an absolutely fantastic job. Looks absolutely beautiful. Also, let me point out this cricket that they built. Our guys had to, Florida requires anything over 28 inches, you have to have a cricket for the chimney. So this is the work we did. Absolutely outstanding job to fabricate the flashing and the counter flashing and to design this. Shout out to Sean Raismont and the production crew, man. This roof is absolutely amazing. And we just thought I'd show you real quick what kind of work we do on the low slopes. You guys have a great day.